Is this water? No, it's even much better. It's scorching hot right now, and today I'm going to try out one of the desi drinks. Let's check this out. When burning hot summers arrive, these tiny stalls lined up on the highway are a motorist respite. Welcome to the world of ठंडा ठंडा कूल कूल अपने इंडिया का देसी कोल्ड ड्रिंक नीरा। And what a delight it was gulping this down. I could feel it cooling down my body instantly. Well, I have to tell you this, when I had come over here at this Neera stall, my head was aching from the heat because it's 40 degrees right now in Mumbai. But once I had this, I can actually feel my headache going down, and it's such a refreshing feeling having it. This traditional Indian drink has been quenching thirst since ages. आपका दिन में कितना बिकता होगा ये? 700-800 रुपए का आपका दिन में बिक जाता है, और आप कितना पीते हो?
10-12 गिलास।
भैया 10-12 ग्लास नीरा पी लेते हैं, समझे? If I must say, it tasted even sweeter than the coconut water to me. No wonder it is used as a raw material to make palm sugar. This nourishing drink is a sap extracted from the toddy palm trees, the same trees that also produce fleshy fruits called targola or ice apples. Wow. Well, I have to tell you that it's extremely flavorful, very, very sweet with mild notes of sweet palm fruit. So amazing. This nectar has a short shelf life, and once fermented, it is sold as natural alcohol, that is palm wine or toddy. This sap from the palm fruit not only quenches thirst in the most delicious way, but is packed with health benefits. Neera is known to be rich in minerals, vitamins, and amino acids. It is also known to carry therapeutic benefits for digestion, jaundice, eyesight, and skin health. Truly a refreshing health wonder. And if you also want to quench your thirst in the most desi way, do stop by one of these Neera stalls on the highway.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.